These are the miners who worked in the industrial area of Minnesota 1870 to 1920. Collier Adams discovered the Cuyuna Range. He named it the Cuyuna Range by taking the first three letters of his first name, Kai, and his dog's name, Una, and stuck it together and got Cuyuna. All the ore was near lakes and bogs, so sometimes when they dug the ore, it would all the water would come in and flood the mines and drown the people. Actually, Cuyuna Range is known for the worst mining accident. 41 people drowned because they dug into Lake Foley and all the water drowned them and flooded the mines. This is the Milford Mine in the Cuyuna Range, before the flooding. And this is the Milford Mine after the flooding. A man from Philadelphia, Charlemagne Tower owned interests in the Northern Pacific Railroads. He started getting land in 1875. Tower invested in the Duluth Iron Railway Company, which gave him 10 square miles of land for every mile of railway built. Soon, the Duluth Iron Company owned 100 miles of railroad, 27,000 acres of land, 13 train engines, 340 cars, 5 pit mines, and loading docks at 2 harbors. In 1884, the Merritt brothers found the Mesabi Range. It is the largest range in the U.S. and in the world. Open pits merged into larger pits, which grew into larger pits, which got so big the entire town of Hibbing had to be moved. It took 2 years to move, and it cost $16 million just to move all of it. Larger buildings were even cut in half to be moved. Living and working conditions weren't safe. Immigrants that came in from Europe could only get the most dangerous, low-paying jobs. Because immigrants spoke little English, had almost no money, and were far away from home, the mining companies took advantage of them. Because of this, miners started forming labor unions. Between 10,000 and 16,000 miners went on strike in 1907. The immigrants stopped the strike because the strikebreakers took their jobs. Mining had a huge impact in the U.S. It brought more than 70,000 Americans and immigrants to northern Minnesota. Between 1892 and 1902, 53 million tons of ore was shipped to the eastern U.S. The steel made from the ore was also used in many industries. Construction of skyscrapers in the eastern cities, railways connecting to cities, and weapons. The ore was also used in fertilizer, medicines, and magnets. This program was sponsored by Chance Got Your Back. Ooh.